Welcome to the Trendsetters, your go-to source for groundbreaking travel inspiration. Brace yourself for an extraordinary expedition as we unlock the hidden wonders of train travel. No matter if you're a seasoned wanderer or an inquisitive adventurer, our guide is here to revolutionize your perception of train journeys. So without further ado, let's embark on a thrilling odyssey that will reshape the way you experience the rails. From breathtaking landscapes to unexpected encounters, we'll ensure that every moment spent on the tracks becomes a cherished memory that lasts a lifetime. Get ready to embrace the magic of train travel and let your wanderlust take flight, choosing the perfect route for your adventure. Are you ready for a thrilling quest to find the perfect train route that aligns with your travel preferences and goals? Get ready to embark on an unforgettable journey through breathtaking landscapes and captivating destinations. We'll be your trusty guides as we explore factors like scenic beauty, travel duration, and budget-friendly options. Whether you're seeking a scenic coastal route or an epic mountain adventure, we've got you covered. So buckle up and let's dive into a world of excitement and discovery as we help you find that ideal train route that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. Packing hacks for effortless travel. Preparing for a train adventure. We've got some ingenious packing techniques up our sleeves that are designed to make your travel experience a breeze. Say goodbye to cumbersome luggage and hello to effortless travel. We'll show you how to maximize space in your bags so you can bring along all your essentials without the stress. Plus, we'll reveal the must-have items you simply can't leave home without. From versatile clothing options to clever organizers, we've got you covered for a hassle-free journey. So get ready to pack like a pro and enjoy the freedom of traveling light, making room for new experiences and unforgettable moments along the way. Mastering train etiquette. The world of train travel, where communal spaces and shared experiences come together. To ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey for yourself and your fellow passengers, let's unlock the secrets of train etiquette. It's all about common courtesy and respect. Learn how to navigate noise management, showing consideration for others while still enjoying your journey. Discover the art of respecting personal space in a communal setting, creating a harmonious environment for everyone on board. By mastering train etiquette, you not only enhance your own experience but also contribute to the positive atmosphere that makes train travel so special. Insider tips for booking tickets. The labyrinth of ticket booking platforms can be quite overwhelming, but fear not. We're here to unveil some insider tips and tricks that will empower you to navigate this maze with confidence. Get ready to secure the best deals and snag those coveted seats on your chosen train routes. From timing your bookings just right to exploring lesser-known platforms, we'll equip you with the knowledge to make smart choices. Say goodbye to the frustration of sold-out trains and hello to stress-free ticket booking. So get your travel plans in order and let's embark on a journey where every ticket is a golden opportunity to create unforgettable memories. Exploring onboard amenities and services. Get ready to embark on a thrilling exploration of the onboard amenities and services that will take your train journey to the next level. Prepare to be amazed as we unveil a world of luxuries and conveniences designed to make your time on board truly unforgettable. From delectable dining options that will satisfy even the most discerning palate to a wide array of entertainment facilities that will keep you entertained throughout your voyage, we've got you covered. Indulge in a culinary adventure with a range of dining choices that will tantalize your taste buds and embark on a journey of discovery with captivating entertainment options that will leave you enthralled. So find your seat, sit back, relax, and allow us to guide you on a remarkable journey filled with delightful experiences and endless possibilities. Let the adventure begin. Staying safe and secure while traveling. Your safety and security are of utmost importance as you embark on your train adventure. We're here to provide you with expert tips on how to stay vigilant and prepared every step of the way. Discover effective strategies for safeguarding your belongings, ensuring that your valuables remain protected throughout your journey. Our guidance will also help you navigate unfamiliar destinations with confidence, empowering you to explore new places while maintaining your peace of mind. From staying aware of your surroundings to being prepared for unexpected situations, we've got you covered. So embrace the thrill of adventure, knowing that you have the tools and knowledge to travel safely and securely. Maximizing comfort for long-haul journeys. Prepare yourself for the ultimate quest in pursuit of comfort during those long-haul train journeys. We understand that hours spent on a train can be taxing, but fear not. We're here to guide you on a journey towards maximum comfort. Discover the art of ergonomic seating arrangements that will provide support and relaxation throughout the trip. Uncover relaxation techniques that will help you unwind and find tranquility amidst the hustle and bustle. And let's not forget strategies for combating travel fatigue, so you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Get ready to embark on a quest for unparalleled comfort as you travel the rails in style. Insider insights on train cuisine. Prepare your taste buds for an extraordinary culinary adventure as we unveil the world of train cuisine. Join us as we explore the hidden gems of gastronomy that can be found on trains around the globe. Delve into the secrets and insider insights that will elevate your dining experience to new heights. From mouth-watering gourmet meals to delightful snacks, we'll guide you on how to savor every bite while on the go. Discover the art of enjoying train cuisine, where convenience meets culinary excellence. So get your appetite ready and embark on a delectable journey through the flavors of the world, all from the comfort of your train seat. Capturing memories through train travel photography. Get ready to take your travel photography to new heights and capture the essence of your train adventures like never before. Join us as we dive into the captivating world of train travel photography, where the unique vantage point of a train window becomes your canvas. From framing that perfect shot to experimenting with light and perspective, we'll be your guides on this visual journey. Unleash your creativity, let your imagination soar, and get ready to freeze those cherished moments in breathtaking photographs that will transport you back to the excitement of your train travels. So grab your camera, hop aboard, and let us show you how to make every click count in capturing unforgettable memories along the rails. Your next photographic masterpiece awaits. Sustainable travel practices for eco-conscious explorers. Are you a nature-loving explorer with a passion for making a positive impact on our planet? Well, get ready to join the sustainable travel movement and embark on a journey that combines your love for exploration with eco-friendly practices. Let us guide you on how to incorporate sustainable habits into your train adventures. From choosing rail travel to reduce carbon emissions to supporting local communities along your route, we'll show you how to minimize your environmental footprint while still having an incredible travel experience. Discover responsible travel choices, eco-friendly accommodations, and ways to immerse yourself in local cultures, all while leaving a positive legacy behind. Together, let's embrace sustainable travel practices and pave the way for a greener, more responsible future for our beloved planet. Thank you for embarking on this incredible journey with us as we explored the ultimate guide to train travel tips and tricks. Remember to keep embracing the wonders of train travel and continue exploring the world around you. If you found this adventure inspiring and informative, we would greatly appreciate your support. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Trendsetters for more groundbreaking insights and travel inspiration. We can't wait to have you join us on our next thrilling adventure. See you next time.